can simply pretending to sit on a chair like this strengthen your legs, protect your joints, and teaches you mental endurance. Namaste, I'm Dr. Aparna Shukla, and today I'm going to teach you chair yoga. In Sanskrit, it's called Utkatasana. Utkata means powerful, fierce, strong. You may think that sitting on a chair, especially if you're working on a computer all day, it actually does weaken your body, and that is so true. But you can use the same chair to make your body even more strong. So today let's learn about this chair pose. So to do the chair pose, you have to first simply stand in Tadasana, then inhale and raise your arms to the front. Then exhale and bend your knees and hold here for 5 to 10 breaths. And release, inhale and come to stand. Common mistakes while doing chair pose or Utkatasana, that maybe you are placing too much weight on your front part of the foot. So you shouldn't do that. You should place more weight on your heels. Alignment is very important here. So make sure that your feet are either hip distance apart, or even if they are a little bit closer, that's absolutely fine. But your legs have to be straight. And when you bend your knees, you are literally bending the knees only slightly and in line with your second toe. So that's your alignment. You should still be able to look at your toes. Another mistake, people round their shoulders when they are holding their arms to the front. So don't round your shoulder, keep your spine lengthened. So lengthen the spine, pull your belly button slightly in and raise your arm. And hold for 5 to 10 breaths. So make sure that when you do Utkatasana or chair pose, avoid these common mistakes and keep your body in alignment. And when you are doing Utkatasana, if you are an advanced practitioner, you can even close your eyes. And this is going to really nourish your knee joint. If you suffer from acute knee pain, I would advise to just simply go in and out of the pose. So that means you shouldn't stay. But if you have healthy knee joints, then you can stay here for 5 to 10 breaths. And then you may ask how many repetitions. So you should repeat this at least 10 times. And that will really make your quadriceps, your hamstrings, and your knee joint strong. Your legs become strong. Why it is beneficial? Because strong legs are really necessary to prevent fall, and it is for healthy aging. Because as we age, it becomes really hard and the legs start to become weaker, and legs are the first signal that you are getting older. So what if you simply sit? This is one of the safest thing you can do, is to sit on a chair. If you are an old person and you think it is too hard for me to stand and do this pose, then you can just simply do it with the chair. So you stand and then you sit down again. You can again stand and sit down, stand and sit down. So this is for our senior citizens. Chair pose or Utkatasana, really enjoyable for you. And do you really enjoy doing things?